So one more version of this is for the other industries, and that is called application drop-offs. And you might have seen that if you're from edtech, if you're from finance, if you're from banking, insurance, all these sectors, even you might have multiple applications in other sectors also, which you can relate to. Okay, what happens here is someone tries to say, suppose it's a university. Okay, so someone will submit a lead but not fill the application form, or someone will fill an application form only one step or just two steps, right? There's a construction going on, so yeah. Okay, so someone will just complete the application form for just one step and two steps and just drop off. Next moment, what you can do is you can just send them a notification that, hey, thanks for completing step 2, and you are on step 1. Here's the link to complete step 3, something like that. Okay, and you can just complete a step 3 here. You can just complete the application here. They click on a link and go to the application form and complete the application. So I think there was a question recently that came up, that are these messages approved? How do we come to know that which message will be approved or not? I'll give you a small insight. See, if you're sending direct promotional messages, they won't get approved, like 20% off, 30% off. But so we need to understand what kind of messages do we need to frame. Okay, I'll give you an insight what we have got to know till now, what we have understood from WhatsApp's approval process. That you need to show WhatsApp only one thing, that this person is not a cold lead. That simply means that this person is not someone you don't know. This is some person that has been interacting with you, that is some kind of your user or your application user or your lead or anything. So what you need to show them is that this user has been in touch with you for some time somewhere. Okay, so that is why whenever we start these kind of messages, we start it with a thank you, like, thanks for choosing BTech Computer Science as a course preference on our website. So now what we are showing WhatsApp is that this person came to our website, showed interest in BTech Computer Science, and now we are sending him a message. We are not shooting Abhinaya a message, just randomly. We are sending Abhinaya a message just because he or she was on our website and did something or some kind of submitted their lead on our website. So this is what you need to show WhatsApp. So every message you frame from now on, you need to understand that you cannot. That is why you cannot throw direct 20% off messages. So that is how it happens. The more you keep it personalized, the more you keep it contextual to something that is related to your stuff, you will get it approved. Okay, and we'll be sharing a lot of messages with you, around 20 messages that we have got approved along the way in this last 6 months. So this is another strategy. Someone drops off, someone is not filling up a form, or this can also be said as someone has just inquired. Okay, someone has just filled a lead form on your website. You can instantly shoot them a message, and then they can go on the conversation, or they can just go to their next step thereby, right?